Okay, here's grade 10 trigonometry. Trigonometry where we need to use the sketch. Okay, we need to use a sketch here, but a sketch we're going to use just right angled triangle. Okay, I'm going to do 1A and B for you, then you can do the rest at home on your own. Okay, let's have a look at A here. We're given that if sine A equals to 4 over 5, we need to find cot A plus tan A. So we'll start here at, since well you can see here, we have sine A, which is equals to 4 over 5. So what we need to do, let me draw the right angle to triangle here. Here's right angle to triangle. You can see how to define sine. You can, if we talk about sine, you need to remember opposite over hypotenuse. Then the opposite will be 4 over hypotenuse, which is 5. Then we need to use Pythagoras to get adjacent. Pythagoras is r square equals to x square plus y square. Then we substitute where there's r is the hypotenuse as 5 square equals to x square plus y, which is 4 square. So quickly there you can see we have 25 minus 16 equals to x square. 25 minus 16 is 9 equals to x squared. Then x be positive 3, positive 3 here. So because they are looking for, they said we need to calculate cot A plus tan A. Cot A plus tan A, as you can see here, cot A plus tan A. Then what we can do, we need to substitute here. Plus we substitute here. Okay, tan, if you are here, say, if you are here, okay, let me write as A, B, and C here. So if you are here, your tan will be opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent will be tan 4 over 3. Don't forget that cot is the reciprocal. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So meaning that cot is adjacent over opposite. Adjacent over opposite, it means it's 3 over 4. So if you have this, we can tell that the LCM is 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3, 9. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 4 is 16. Then we should have over here and plus in the middle. Then the answer there will be 25 over 12. Simple as that. 25 over 12. Okay, that's 25 over 12. Think you'll understand that one. Okay, hope you'll understand at home. It won't be that much of a challenge to you. You'll understand quite easily. Okay, so let's move on to B. Let's move on to B. What are we given at B? We are given that if sine A equals to 3 over 8. Once again, we need to draw the right angle triangle. Let's draw here. Right angle triangle. We have A, B, C. We have A, B, C. Right angle triangle. We have A, B, C. So they said if sine A equals to 3 over 8, 3 over 8. So we need to use Pythagoras again to get AB, which is adjacent. So 8 squared equals to x squared plus 3 squared, 64 minus 9 equals to x squared. Then x will then be 70, not 70 but 55. Square root 55 will be square root 60, 55, square root 55. So here we're going to write 55. So they are looking for, they said here this is what was given, sine A equals to 3 over 8. Okay, this was just given. So what are we supposed to do or calculate? We're supposed to calculate cosec A minus sec A. Cosec A minus sec A. Okay, cosec A. Cosec is the same as, okay, it's the reciprocal of sine. Sine should be 3 over 8. Cosec should be 8 over 3, vice versa. Minus sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos should be adjacent over hypotenuse. Sec should be, okay, sec should be hypotenuse over adjacent. Hypotenuse over adjacent. No, that's sec. So what we need to do, we need to look for the LCM there. We need to look for the LCM. And as you look for the LCM, knowing your maths here, you'll say your LCM automatically you have what? You have 3 square root 5. So if you divide there and multiply, you're going to get 8 square root 55. This is without the use of calculator. Then minus 24. Minus 24. Then you can still factor out 8 into square root 55 minus 3. Then we now have over there, over 3 square root 55. So whether you leave your answer here or your answer there, then you are correct for this one. Okay, you are correct. You can leave your answer anywhere. So let me leave my answer to the first one there so that it may not confuse you. So this is it, A and B. I think that was so easy. Remember, this is grade 10. Let me quickly write that. This is grade 10. grade 10 trig challenge. Trig challenge. Okay. Make sure you pay so much attention at home until you understand. If not, make sure you get back to me for further explanation. I'll be so glad to do so. Okay. Make sure you understand thoroughly. Okay. And you happen to have more questions, post them to me, send them to me, then I'll be so glad to help you. Okay. Sharp, sharp.